like stashing. She likes stashing. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame.
she likes
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Gist on Plugtv. It's your favorite Amebo partner, Oyin Jamola, and I am here to give you all the trendy trends and the sizzling gist in the entertainment industry. But before we go further, do one thing for me. Look down. Have you looked down? Now click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now please, grab your popcorn and your drink because it's about to go down. Welcome back to the Gist on Plugtv, that program where we bring you all the sizzling gist and the amebo in the entertainment industry. Now, our first amebo of today, there has been a lot of drama happening in the DMW house as a certain King Patrick, who happens to be the CEO of Golden Boy Entertainment, came out to say Peruzzi was signed to his record label before Davido came and hijacked him into the DMW team. Now, he went as far as telling us he met Peruzzi when Peruzzi was in his final year in the medical school and could not afford to pay his bills. Now, he paid Peruzzi's medical bills, got him an apartment in Shogotedo, and went as far as shooting all of his musical videos for free. Then somehow, Davido met Peruzzi, and Peruzzi packed his load and moved to the DMW house without taking permission from King Patrick. Now, King Patrick came out to vex that why would Peruzzi move into Davido house and be singing with Davido and writing songs for Davido? Now, he has been trying to reach Peruzzi on how both of them will settle their issues, but Peruzzi did not answer him. According to him, Peruzzi has been ignoring his messages. Then somehow, both of them scheduled a meeting, only for Peruzzi to show up with area boys, and he started shouting, how much be 46 million naira? 46 million naira na chicken change. What do you people expect? Peruzzi has been rolling with the 30 billion gang, so if you remove 46 million naira from 30 million, there's still a lot of money to go around. But still on still, Peruzzi did not pay Brother King Patrick his money. King Patrick DM Davido, as per, bro, pay me my money now. I'm not angry you took my artist, but at least give me the money Peruzzi is owing me. That's how Davido flipped to. It's not me you follow and have a you. Go and meet Peruzzi. Tell Peruzzi to give you your money. Or did they tell you I signed Peruzzi? Ding dong. That's where Twitter users now stood up. So Davido did not sign Peruzzi. They now went to fish out the picture of when Davido signed Peruzzi. That's our Twitter VAR. Now zoomed into the picture and saw that it was actually blank papers. Hey, what will Musa not see at the gate of Lagos? When King Patrick saw that he was not getting what he wanted, he did what a normal Nigerian in need will do. He came out to Twitter to come and rant to us Twitter users to help him and collect his money from Davido and Peruzzi. When that one was not working out, Davido now came out to attack King Patrick, that if he is depressed, he should get people to pray for him instead of doing drugs. Hey! Then King Patrick now came out and said Davido should take lessons from Honcho, who happens to be our own Peruzzi, on how to do stuff with a girl and post that he is her cousin. In other words, Chef Chi, our queen of assurance, is not actually Peruzzi's cousin. She is Peruzzi's friends with benefits, or let's say she was Peruzzi's friends with benefits before he passed her on to brother Davido. Hey! Twitter scatter. That was how Davido unfollowed Chioma on Instagram, and Chioma unfollowed Davido too. Then it left us Twitter users asking what is going on. Are you people cancelling engagement? What will happen to Ifeanyi? Anyways, they followed each other back, but I don't know what's going on there. But trust me, when I find out this gist, I'm gonna bring it to you guys hot. On to the next gist. We opened Instagram some days ago only to see angry Vico. Now, if people ask me, who is this Vico person? In case you don't know Vico, hey, Vico is one of those musicians that we just have to listen to because their songs make us happy because they don't have meaning. Vico came out to blast Zlatan, saying, Zlatan, do you know who I am? When I was ready, you were still a baby sucking your mommy's. Now, you ask me what led to this fight. Apparently, Vico walked up to Zlatan at an event over the weekend asking for his number. Now, you know how these celebrities can be now. Zlatan now started moving Zico up and down. Ask this person, ask this person. Instead of Vico to respect himself and his old age, he now went to his Instagram to attack Zlatan. Now, are you telling me that Vico is trying to get Zlatan's attention?
War has started, Zlatan. You will get it. You will get it for me. I will never forgive you for this. You will pay for it dearly. Zlatan, it's me you beat up like this, you and your friends. I swear to God, I will never forgive you for this.
Because remember when Fidelity got Zlatan's attention, Zlatan bought him an iPhone 11 Pro Max and also brought him to Nigeria to perform. Don't go anywhere, it's still the gist on Plugtv. Welcome back to the gist on Plugtv, that program where we bring you all the gist in the entertainment industry. On to the next, we heard that John Legend was in Nigeria over the weekend. Now, some people said he came for an event, while some people said somebody paid him to sing for his wife. So his wife took to her Twitter page to tell us that she actually wants to come to Nigeria too. Not to do anything, but to meet Michael. Now, let me tell you about Michael. Hey! Michael is a Nigerian man, as most Nigerian men, that want to get their passports as far as their green pali of their abroad by getting married to a white woman. Now, Michael now enter another one chance. The person that you now want to get married to and get his passport, he's a sonlori person. She's not normal. So she has been giving him a lot of drama and a lot of trouble. Anyways, as luck will have it, he could not now get his visa. He was denied visa. That's how he now called meeting with his family members and Auntie Angela, the white woman that is meant to help him to the visa. They now said, Angela, don't you think you should allow Michael settle down? Ah! If it was a Nigerian woman that thing happened to, hey, at it label, eh? On to the next gist. Our favorite cross-dresser, Uncle Idris Okuneye, aka Bobrisky, aka O'Shea Baddest, took to his or her Instagram page, because we don't even know what we'll use for her now, or his or her. Anyways, took to her Instagram page to tell us that some people are trying to compete with him or her as the queen of cross-dressers. Then I now sat down and said, hey, who is this person that is trying to compete with my home Bobrisky? I now went down to do my research. I now found out there is one new kid on the block. Hey, if you see this guy, you will know that Bobrisky did learn. According to what I heard his name is J Boogie. Now, the funny thing about this guy is he is what Bobrisky is not. And just a little bit of touch-up, he might be dragging Bobrisky, or he might be giving Bobrisky a run for his money. Anyways, this girl, or this guy that will soon be a girl, can dance better, has better curves, can speak better English than our favorite Bobrisky. And I'm sure this guy will give him a run for his money. I'm even sure he's already feeling the competition, he's already feeling the heat. That's why he's already telling us in advance that somebody is coming on. I think we should watch out for this boy before he blows up in our faces. Anyways, on to the next gist. Over the weekend, Mercy Johnson Okogie premiered her new movie, The Legend of Inkwe.
Has it that her mother, Queen Omele, didn't have the best of times in the labor room.
Name.
Inigbi. Lie to your king. I have sworn not to. Then I forbid you to keep away from me what the gods have revealed to you alone.
They want a human sacrifice. I will give them mine.
Now, a lot of celebrities grace her red carpet, but you know the one that busts my head the most? It was Diane of 2019 Big Brother Nigeria. Now, my girl showed up. Hey! She showed up wearing a beautiful dinner dress that exposed 3/4 of her mammary gland. Ha! The girl brought it to us like the Pepper Dem edition. She gave it to us hot. But you know the problem I have with her dressing? If you are going to wear a dress like that, Wear it with your chest, literally. Not the one that you now wear a dress. You now come and be being all uncomfortable in our faces. Because as we saw the video, she was all... Auntie, you that wore something like that to leave your house. What were you expecting to be alone? Eh? Ah. Anyways, that's all we can take on today's episode of the Gist on Plugtv. My name is Oyin Damola. But before I go, do one thing for me. Like this video, drop your comments, and of course, subscribe. Till we meet on the next episode.
Like dashing.